see. For private salons. I'm looking for private salons.
You think they got it up here?
They should. But while I'm on the verge, I'm looking. Hey everybody, if you don't know who I am Kreationz with Helen. Thank you for tuning in to another segment. Today is Vlogmas and I'm gonna make lasagna, cheesy lasagna. And I'm doing this for one of my subscribers. She put it in the community tab. I said, what do y'all want to see coming up soon? So shout out to Sabrina's Spot. This is just for you. I'm gonna make a cheesy lasagna dinner and you're coming along with me, all of y'all, so we can get the ingredients so y'all would know how much everything costs and y'all can see it, and maybe y'all can come along with me and do it together. You know what I mean, if that makes sense. Does that make sense?
It makes sense.
Makes sense. Okay.
Yeah.
So we're doing this on a budget, a strict budget. Okay. This is the sauce that I'm looking for. That is that one right here. Let me see if I can make it a little lighter. I'm looking for that sauce right there. So we're trying to see if they have it here. Might need one more. Hold on. Let me put this on the side right here so we don't break nothing like Brother Man did. Oh, hold on. He might can get it for you because he got the. That's why I said that, because he got longer arms because you pushed it back.
No, man.
Yeah, that's why I was going to ask, can you get it because you got longer arms. The marinara sauce right there says H her long. See, that's what I was saying. Thank you. Thank you. See, you got somebody come to the rescue.
Yeah, I appreciate it though, man. I guess we gotta look out. We brothers, right? That's right. Hey, hold on. Put the pride aside, because I was like, no. But hey, my man's helped me out, so hey.
Trying to tell you.
We got these deuces right here, 2 dubs.
Okay.
Deuce, 16 ounces. 16 ounces, so
that's the price, $3.49.
$3.49. You think that's high, but?
It's reasonable for what I want. So, because they had one for $1.79, but I haven't tried it, and somebody's right behind you.
This is at $2.39. Oh, that's $2.19. Wait a minute, hold on. Which one is it? Oh, $2.39. This one. So all that empty. It's a lot of people going to get lasagna today.
We actually, because it's on sale. We actually got this brand right here at the other Kroger. It says $2.19, and we got it, but they sold out here. But we just showing you because I was showing Boo thing just in case he comes and want to make this for me. He always has to go by pictures. You know, some help the dudes out, sometimes help the ladies. Go up by pictures, show them the price, and he'll 9 times out of 10 he'll come in and get it for me. 93% lean fat. See, it has no steroids, no hormones, none of that stuff. A tip, y'all, that's why I add the mushrooms to stretch my meat. I'm getting the mozzarella to put on top of the lasagna.
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna put this in between the meat. I got some slices like this, but I got this at little. So you guys can get this. You can make it wherever you want, because I don't like ricotta cheese in my lasagna. So I'm substituting for extra cheese because Miss Sabrina's Spot, she said cheesy lasagna. So I'm gonna make it cheesy lasagna because that's what she requested. So we gonna make that mug cheesy. I'm just showing you guys this because I already have this in the freezer. Normally when I get them, I cut them up and put them in sections and bags. So this is what you would need if you're gonna do it my way. But you can do it however you want, okay? Now let's get right into it, y'all. You said you want to use my lemon butter, right? My lemon butter sauce. So I can show them either or. Butter. That's my secret sauce. Turkey. Getting the mushrooms. These are yellow mushrooms. Getting them ready to put them in the blender. Trying to get all the stuff out as much as I can. Because I'm gonna grind them so I can put them in the.
I'm trying to do that.
This is the consistency that I want. Okay.
Okay.
Already put the oil in here. This is my turkey. We're gonna add this stuff in here. I got two things going on, y'all. If you haven't clicked the notification bell, make sure you click it. Make sure you click subscribe. Because if you like what you see, subscribe to me. I got some dope content on my channel. Love y'all for rocking with me for this long. And hello to all the new subscribers. So, we finna get back into it. I smell the flavor in here and I can't wait to eat. My stomach is growling, okay? So you can get this. I'm gonna put a little salt in here. So I got these right here. These are the lasagnas. I thought they were bigger, but I'm putting it in the pot. I'm gonna add some salt to it to make it boil a little bit more. You do it just like you do spaghetti, okay? Just a little bit. Let that boil up. And I got my oven on. Let that do its due. It smells good in here. I can imagine Prince just coming in here like in the way. Oh man, it smells good. This smells good in here. Ooh. I didn't even put any seasoning in here. I could sprinkle a little bit of oregano. Let me do that. So let me tell y'all what I got over here, just in case you wanted to know. I got my cutting board, my marinara sauce. I got two, but this is a new one. This is my little old one because I'm going to still use what I have in here. I'm going to make it work. I'm going to use my onion. See? It's the onion rolls. I could do French rolls. Got them. It's $3.49, but I got it with the Kroger discount. I got it for, it's $1 off. It's only me and Boo-Thang, but I like these because I'm going to put a butter taste to it. I like flavor. I got this butter sauce that I made when we had crab legs on Friday night. Oh, we had a Vlogmas. We had crab legs. That was just something I just threw together. It was on sale. But they got the garlic butter spread, so I might do a little bit of both. But Boo-Thang kept telling me, I like the way you made my lemon butter sauce. I made this with lemon and butter. That's it. Every time I freestyle my butter sauce, it's always something different. My mom said I need to make a list of my recipes that I do because everyone is always different each time. So I've been doing that. Thank you, Mommy, for that tip. I've been doing that. Get a lid. I'm gonna get a lid and drain a little bit of that water out. While everything else is getting ready to cook, I'm gonna start the bread. So, this is the onion bread. It smells really good. They make it fresh at Kroger in the bakery. Look at that butter. That's my sauce, man.
Yeah.
Woo!
That's what you had the other day, man. That sauce was so good. God.
Man. I was trying to ask him which one do he want. So I'm buttering the bread up. Tastes so good. Oh man. I wish I wish it was smell-o-vision so y'all can just get it. This butter and this onion with the flavor on top. Okay, so I decided to use the garlic butter and put it on here as well. Boo-Thang said I try to have him do a taste. And he said both of them taste good. So I'm gonna mix it, okay? We're gonna mix it. That's what I call a twist when I mix stuff. I rinse these off after they cooked, and I put them in here. You know, rinse them off in cold water. Y'all don't know. I'm gonna use the leftover marinara sauce. Place this on the bottom. And yes, I want my flavor. So I cooked more of these. Didn't realize that, but they expanded. Some mozzarella. Open that. And one more, another layer. I'm making this small. This is just for enough for me and Boo Thing because it's just us. But you can make them however you like. I use this right here. I got this at Costco's. I use it as my topping. I love it. So I'm gonna place this on the salad. Okay. And just sprinkle a little bit of black pepper and call it a day. So I'm gonna finish plating the food, okay? Give me 1 second. Let me put this up. This is gonna be Boo Things, right? So, oh man, you see the little thing. Don't make it as soupy as I did. Had a little too much liquid sauce, but other than that, let's get the little shot. We're gonna have sparkling lemonade. This $3 chuck, $2.98. So you might say $3 chuck. $3, $2.35 to be exact. That little, and I've never tried this, but that's what we're gonna have for dinner. So I'll see y'all in the next video. And comment below if y'all gonna try this and tell me what you think. Bye.